Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. A very special episode today because it's our 100th subscriber episode. We're actually on 112 now. So before I started today's Wacky Wednesday pour, I just wanted to say thanks so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, that comments on my videos, that sends me tips and advice. And yeah, guys, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I really enjoy making these videos, so it's nice to see that other people are liking them as well. So today is Wacky Wednesday, as I said. Not doing anything too wacky today. I quite enjoyed my swipe pour yesterday. So I'm going to be doing another swipe, but I'm going to be doing it with a split color and on a different sized canvas. So I'm hoping that it's going to work out just as well. You'll see I've had to do it widthways because the table is not wide enough to do it this way, so I'll be swiping sideways today just for a change. Right, the colors that I'm using, I've got deep alizarin crimson, alizarin I think you say, crimson on the one side and just white on the other. The other colors I've got are a nice metallic bronze. I made up a light pink. And then we've got a Dutch orange. My swipe color today is going to be a silver, and I've added a little bit of that golden gloss gel into it, just to see if it's going to have the same effect as my last pour, which I really enjoyed because the cells just came out super well. So I'm looking forward to seeing if we're going to get the same result today. I'm just tidying up the edge here. There we go. Right guys, let us begin. First things first, which way to put the colors down? I think I'm going to put the pink down first. Right, I'm just going to move to this side so I can swipe properly. Yeah, I'm excited to see how this turns out actually. Hopefully just as well as the one yesterday. Right guys, here we go. The first swipe of Wacky Wednesday. Let's go. So I think because the canvas is so wide, not as much paint gets dragged towards the ends, but so be it. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this other side. I might have to turn this around quickly. Right, let's do a different order this time. Let us go with orange first. Right guys, let's do the second one. Let's hope this turns out nicely. I have to make some space here. We're running out of space. There we go. Right, let's do it. Right, time for some flame. Get some interesting white cells coming through here. Get that flame going. There we go. I think one more flame and we'll get some good cells in the middle here. There we have it. Now I'm not sure about this side. I do like the white, but it's not really bringing too many of the other cells through. I guess same on this side. I'm guessing because of the width, when you drag the paint over, the paint that you have in the middle doesn't make it to the end. You can see all the little cells that are coming up here from the silicone, but they're not actually dragging any of the paint through. And this side here, I think, is looking nice. So interesting result. I'm just going to give it one more flame in the middle section and see if we can get a bit more action here. And I see the orange is starting to come through here on the end, so maybe it will fill out and we won't just have sort of the plain white down the bottom. But anyway, interesting result here. I think the silver is still going to come to the surface, so we'll probably get a bit more silver in the middle there. But otherwise, yeah, very interesting. An interesting Wacky Wednesday pour, celebrating our 100th subscriber, which is now 112, and I'm hoping we will get to 1,000 subscribers. That is the next goal. So guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, so that other people can see the art that I'm making, maybe learn from it and take some of the things I do into their own art. Maybe not, maybe they just like to have a look and see what's happening in the art world. But guys, that's it for today. I'll probably be back on the weekend with another pour. It won't be a swipe this time, it'll be something else, I promise. You guys are probably getting tired of the swipes, but for me it's just one of the most satisfying results from doing an acrylic pour painting. But yeah, till next time then, have a good week, and here's the close-up.